Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. Here we go then, let's have a little look at the results of the close-up coins that you've been guessing over the course of the week. We'll start off then with the Jemima Puddaduck, the currently most valuable Beatrix Potter coin in UK circulation. The second coin from 1998, a huge shout out if you have managed to find this coin, definitely gone up in value a lot recently, especially those uncirculated. It's the NHS 50p coin. Coin number 3 is the joint rarest of those Beatrix Potters. It's the Peter Rabbit. That one, a very difficult one indeed to guess there. Coin number 4, it's an Olympic. It's the Olympic wrestling. You could see the close-up there of the wrestler's feet. The next coin then, my fan favourite coin, it's the WWF with the iconic panda logo there in the middle. Again, this one now 11 years young, 2011. The other coin then, and the final coin, is the Flopsy Bunny, the other joint rarest of the Beatrix Potters. Again, a huge shout out if you managed to get that one off the close-up. A lot of people then entering this time, so nice to see. 6 out of 6 then for Currency of Earth, Wally Robson, Ian Strudwick, Terence Day, Finn Collects Coins, Squirreling Coins, Shep Adam, Smithy7890 and also Rich H. Hunts. Now, unfortunately, not always YouTube comments do save, so if you have entered and you got them all right, please do let me know. I do apologise and I'll give you a shout out in the next video. I'm going to get on with making another one of these today. Again, we'll leave it open for another week and I'm going to try and make it as difficult as possible. And maybe for the first time ever, nobody might get them all correct. I'm more than sure somebody will, though. Your coin knowledge is probably better than mine sometimes. So again, I'm going to try and keep it fun and exciting, but throw a couple of difficult ones in there as well. Plenty more videos still coming up today, and don't forget, 8 PM is the final day of the Team Last Stand Standing. Best of luck to everyone in that one. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.